here is the S&P 500, tracking the top 500 companies in the stock market. Okay. Now it saw a run from, the bottom, the financial crisis, the crash of 2008. Now from there to all the way to 2021, it's at a 13, what is that? 2021 or 2022? Around 2022. So that's about a 13-year bull cycle. Okay. Yeah, it saw like a quick little dip down here, but quickly eating up. I mean, a 13-year bull cycle. Like, where's the bear market? Like, you call this a bear market? Like, it's not even a bear market. This is the closest thing to a bear market. Even then, it's 11-year bull cycle. So I'm expecting to see this type of um for an entire decade. Cryptos can be in an uptrend for an entire decade, similar to what happened with the stock market, with tech stocks and all that, with the, whole web 2. Now we're entering web 3. Not just web 3, but it's like this whole decentralized system. This is an era that Kaspa is going to completely empower. It's going to be decentralized around Kaspa and everything it can offer through its scalability with no competition. Literally, you can't get faster than Kaspa, especially when it releases Dagnite. It's like no competition could possibly be better. Nothing could possibly exist that's better than Kaspa, especially when Dagnite releases. It's quite literally impossible to be faster than the speed of the internet. Like, that's an impossibility. And to stay as secure as Bitcoin with having 50% of the hash rate, like security, with 50% BFT, Byzantine fault tolerance, up to 50%, and the decentralization of better, I mean, as good as Bitcoin, the coin even more fairly distributed than Bitcoin, decentralization like none other besides Bitcoin itself. You can't get a system better than that. So it's like, it's not only the best right now, but it's the best for the future to ever come. And it's gonna, and with like such bright minds behind Kaspa, it's going to continue to adapt to changing environments. Even with down the line in 20, 30, or whatever, all the decades from now, once quantum computing comes, Kaspa, like all other protocols, are going to adapt and do what they need to do to remain secure, just like every other system that exists, and that's not going to be a problem. So it's like, it's future proof. This investment is it's not even an investment; it's a currency. It's like it's a currency. It's a black hole for everything. So that's why maximize your exposure to Kaspa at the bottom. So when it's at the top, you're going to be having a higher, your portfolio is going to be a higher net worth. And it's up to you. Sell it for Kaspa, do what you want with it. But you maximize exposure to Kaspa at the bottom with the top meme coins, okay? Now this video. I'm going to be covering also my thoughts on other investment opportunities within the ecosystem, especially with layer 2 coming around real soon with 10 BPS upgrade. And so you have to compare what we have now and compare what is coming to know where you want to have your money, okay? So I'll be going into that next, or sometime.